I'm Christine Sabilio, and we're here at the Senate, where accused-turned whistleblower Ruby Tuason is expected to bear all against the perpetrators of the pork barrel scam.
After I had made the offer to Senator Scott, not long after, I offered it also to the Chief of Staff of Senator. I never got to talk to Senator Rivera.
You never got to talk to Senator Rivera. So you only got to talk to
Attorney
Gigi Reyes?
Do you believe alam ni Senator Enrile yung mga transaksyon na ginagawa ninyo with Attorney Gigi Reyes?
Sa dami ho nito, siguro naman meron siyang inkling.
Inkling? Do you actually believe kung inkling lang yan ibig sabihin si Attorney Gigi Reyes ang may power to do all these things without the knowledge of her principal?
She has a lot of power.
Okay, you might.
Pero marami mo siyang power sa kanilang opisina. Marami mo siyang siyang
Na hindi malalaman ito ni Senator Enrile.
Kasi ina-authorize mo naman siya. So, siguro, in-authorize niya.
Na kumuha ng komisyon on his behalf.
Kaya siya may authority letter mo naman siya na siya ang kailan na.
So, ano ang ibig sabihin nun? Alam po niya,
You're in full trust naman mo siya kay Atty.